Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars, go a little bit faster.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday, Ate Shane. I know that you want to celebrate it here in Mindoro, pero mukhang hindi aayon ng panahon. I'm wishing you a happy birthday, a good health for you and for your family, and hoping to see you next time. So that's in March. Kahit hindi na-grant yung birthday wish mo to celebrate it with us, pero nag-wish kami na sana maging masaya ang celebration mo with Harry and the 2 kids. Thank you and I love you.
Happy birthday.
po, Ma. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Tiche. I love you. Thank you so much.
Hi Tashane, happy birthday. I just wanted to wish you a day filled with good food, laughter, and peace. I know I wasn't easy to deal with before, and I want to say sorry for that. And thank you for everything, for your sacrifices, and taking care of the family. And yeah, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tito Shane. Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you sa mga sacrifices na ginawa mo at ginagawa mo sa family natin, and sa mga efforts mo na ginagawa. So, na-appreciate namin yung lahat, and I hope you the best and the happiest year all around, and mahal na mahal ka namin. Inaantok na ako. Happy birthday, Mom. Tita Mama. Happy birthday, Tita Mama. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tiche! Ingat ka dyan. Take ka ng mga vitamins mo. And good health lang this year. Bye-bye!
Hello, Che. Happy birthday. Kala mo nakalimutan ko, no? Siyempre naman hindi. I love you, Che. Huwag ka masyado magpagod, ha? Andyan lang yan ang trabaho, andyan lang yan. Pero stay healthy always. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Come inside